Let's solve this problem together. It says the height of 4 orange seedlings are 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. Calculate the variance. The first thing is that let's write out the formula for variance. What is the formula for calculating the variance? The formula is summation x minus mean square then over n. Now from the given question, n is 4. So since we know the n, we need to calculate the mean. And what is mean? Mean is summation fx over n. Summation x, in this case summation x over n, that is we will add 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 10 then over 4. 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 10 is 24. So 24 over 4 will give 6. So that means that the mean is 6. So now we can input this formula. So for each x, we have to find this so that we have to calculate x minus mean square. So the first x is 2. So this will be 2 minus 6 square. Because of the summation, that means we will add plus 5 minus 6 squared plus 7 minus 6 squared plus 10 minus 6 squared then all over 4. Now let's simplify. 2 minus 6 will give negative 4. Negative 4 square is 16. Then plus 5 minus 6 is negative 1. Negative 1 square is 1. Then plus 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 square is 1. Then plus 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 square is 16. Then all over 4. So this will give 6 plus 1, 17. 17 plus 17 is 34. So this is 34 over 4. Now let's divide. 4 will go in 34. 8 times, remainder 2, because 8 times 4 is 32. And 4 will go in, let's put decimal point so that we have 4 will go in 20. 4 will go in 20 5 times. So that means the variance for this given question is 8.5.